Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start signed in as an administrator so changes stick. Open Start and type User Account Control, select Change Settings immediately. Once the dialog opens, you'll see a vertical slider with levels. Move it down toward Never Notify to stop prompts for app installs and system changes. Make sure to read the descriptions as you move the slider, because you're trading security prompts for convenience. Once done, click OK and expect a confirmation prompt. Accept it to apply the new level. Once you click OK, the system will ask for confirmation. If Windows prompts for administrator credentials, enter them now. Otherwise, click Yes to confirm. You should then test a common task like installing an app or changing system settings to verify prompts are suppressed. If an app still requests elevation, right-click it and choose Run as administrator for a one-time override. Make sure to restart any services or open apps that expect new privileges, so they recognize the updated UAC level. Finish by rebooting so system components apply the change uniformly. This clears cached credentials and policy states. If UAC-like warnings persist, inspect Local Security Policy, SecPol. MSC, under Local Policies, or verify Enable LUA Registry key at hklm/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version /policies/system is set correctly. Change requires reboot. Make sure to re-enable UAC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.